Good noon to everyone. Today discuss about in the mass transfer operation 1 system of three liquids, one pair partially soluble in a liquid extraction unit number 7. Okay, now start the most important theory. In a previous section આપણે triangular coordinate system જોઈ ગયા હતા જેના માટે ઇક્વેશન આપણે ડિરાઈવ કર્યું હતું r plus c is equal to m. Okay, this is the most important one pair partially, two pair partially, effect of temperature, effect of pressure જોવાના છે આપણે. So now start this one pair partially soluble. This is the most common type of system in a extraction. Typically example are water, chloroform, acetone and a benzene. A benzene છે, B water છે and acetic acid C છે. Again more repeated. For example, in a one pair partially liquid extraction system, this is the most common type of the system in a extraction, and typically example are water, chloroform and acetone, and second one benzene, water and acetic acid. The triangular coordinate systems are used as isotherms or diagram at constant temperature, referred to figure 10.3a. The liquid is dissolved completely in A and B, but A and B dissolve only to a limited extent માટે આપેલું છે. In each other to give rise to the saturated liquid solution. At L, A rich and at K, B rich. The more insoluble the liquid A and B, the nearer the apex of the triangle will points L and K be the located. Binary mixture J આપેલું છે anywhere between L and K ના પોઈન્ટ પરથી જોઈશું આપણે. Relative amount of the phase depending upon the positions of G according to the principle of equations 10.1, which is the figure this one. Okay, જેમાં રેફિનેટ હેવી ફેઝ આપેલું છે, એક્સટ્રેટ લાઇટ ફેઝ છે, રેફિનેટ એક્સ અને આર છે, all the phase 1, the plant phase point. Okay, unstable system same scale આપેલું છે. Now the which is the point અલગ અલગ આપ્યો છે તમને, L અને K રીચ ફેઝ અને liquid phase માટે. The curve LRPK is the binodal solubility curve indicating the change in a solubility of the A and B each phase. Upon addition of the C, any mixtures outside this curve will be homogeneous solution of one liquid phase. Any ternary mixtures underneath the curve such as M will learn from the two insoluble saturated liquid phase of the equilibrium compositions part indicated by the rich phase and B rich phase. Okay, હવે કવમાં જુઓ ખાસ system of three liquid A and B partially miscible માટે કીધું છે, which is the L અને B, L અને K rich phase આપેલા છે તમને, બરાબર. Now the line RE joining the phase equilibrium composition is a tie line which must necessarily pass throughout the point M representing the mixture as a whole. Okay, there are many infinite number of the tie lines in the two phase region and only a few are shown. They are rarely parallel and usually change their slope slowly in one direction as shown in a relatively few system. The direction of the tie line slope and the change in the one tie line will be horizontal. Such a system are said to be the solutropic point B and the plain point, the last of the tie lines and the point where the now the point in this system part for L and K will separate into the two insoluble liquid phase, and the compositions L and K, the relative amount of the phase depending upon the positions of G according to the principle of equation standpoint 1. The LRPK, the bidirectional solubility curve, indicating the change in the solubility of A and B rich phase upon the additions of C. Any mixture outside this curve will be the homogeneous mixtures of one and liquid phase. Any ternary mixtures for underneath the curve, such as M, will form of two insoluble. For a saturated liquid phase of equilibrium, some compositions indicated to this point in this figure. Okay, the raffinate phase and extract phase આપણે બંને જોવાનું રહેશે. This one is the raffinate and extract phase. આપણે RMA લાઈન જોઈ લીધી છે, બરાબર. R, M અને E બંને પોઈન્ટ રિગાર્ડિંગ. ઓકે, સ્ટ્રેટ લાઈન માટે. This one. Okay, the RE joining the equilibrium composition is the tie line which must necessarily pass through the point M representing the mixture as a whole. There are infinite number of tie lines in the two phase region and only a few are shown. They are rarely parallel and usually change their slope slowly in one direction as shown in a relatively few system. The direction of the tie line slope changes and one tie line will be horizontal. Such system are said to be the sulfuric. A point be the plain point, the last of the tie lines, and the point where the rich and B solubility curve image. Okay, solubility curve માટે છે. And the percentage of C in a solution is clearly greater than that in R, and it is said that the case of the distribution of C favors the B rich phase. This is the simple line for a conventionally shown on the distribution part diagram figure 10.3b, where the point E and R is light above the diagonal પર છે અને y is equal to x, the ratio y star by x. Distribution coefficient is in this case the greater than the unity. The concentration of C at the end of the tie lines when plotted against each other gives the rise to be the distribution curve shown. Should be the tie lines on the figure 10.3a, slope in the opposite direction with C favoring at equilibrium. The distribution curve will be below the diagonal. The distribution curve may be used for the interpolating between the tie lines when only a few have been experimentally determined. Other method and interpolation curve also available છે. ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ તો તમે ડ્રો કરી લો. જે સિસ્ટમ ઓફ થ્રી લિક્વિડના એ અને બી પાર્શિયલી સબમિસિબલ માટે છે. The percentage of C in a solution part માં જોવાનું E is greater than the R effect of case in this distribution curve C and favor the B rich phase. Okay, this is the all conventionally part. Now the effect of the temperature. To show the effect of a temperature in detail requires a three-dimensional figure, as in figure 10.4a, where the temperature is plotted vertically and the isothermal triangular are seen to be section part through the prism. For most system of the type, the manual solubility A and B માટે increases with the increases temperature. Some temperature T4, the critical solution temperature જોવાનું. They dissolve completely. The increased solubility at a higher temperature influence the ternary equilibrium considerably, and this is based on by the projection of the isotherm and the part of the projections, and require a time three-dimensional figure. In 10.14a, where temperature is plotted vertically and the isotherms triangular are seen to be the section through the prism. For most of the system of these types, the mutual solubility of A and B increases with increasing temperature, and above some temperature T4, the critical solution temperature, they dissolve completely. The increased solubility at a higher temperature in a influence the ternary equilibrium considerably, and this is the base shown by the projections part of the isotherm onto the basis triangular, as in a figure 10.4b. Not only does the area but a heterogeneity decreases માટે અને high temperature માટે, and the slope of the tie lines may be also change liquid extraction operation, which depend upon the formation of insoluble for a liquid phases માટે must be carried on at a temperature below T4. Other the least common temperature effect are shown also this basis. Okay, the effect of the temperature on a ternary equilibrium. Section છે first, second, third and fourth. Temperature છે the first, second and third point P માટે is a ternary diagram. Now the effect of pressure. 10.4a જોવાનું છે આપણે. Okay, the effect except at a very high pressure, the influence of a pressure on the liquid equilibrium is so small that I can generally be ignored. All the diagrams shown are therefore to be considered as having been plotted at a sufficiently high pressure to maintain a completely condensed system, and above the vapor pressure of the solution. However, should the pressure be sufficiently reduced to become less than the vapor pressure of the solution, a vapor phase will appear and the liquid equilibrium will be interrupted. Such an effect on a binary solubility curve of the type APB of figure 10.4a and the figure 9.8. Okay, this is all the cover. 2 pair partially પૂછાતો નથી ઇફેક્ટ ઓફ વાળું. નાવ જોઈશું આપણે એને પ્યુર સ્ટ્રક્ચરમાં ચોઇસ ઓફ સોલ્વન્ટ. ઓકે, નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં જોઈશું આપણે ડિટેલમાં. નાવ ધ સિમ્પલ સિસ્ટમ 3 લિક્વિડ 1 પેર પાર્સલી સિસ્ટમ આપણે જોઈ લીધું છે. ઇફેક્ટ ઓફ ટેમ્પરેચર અને ઇફેક્ટ ઓફ પ્રેશર જે ઇમ્પોર્ટન્સ છે. ઓકે, તો થેન્ક યુ સો મચ.